Looking for a new, healthy, tasty snack? Do you love freshly made popcorn and Italian food? Then try this super delicious Italian-style popcorn. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we are going to make some amazing Italian-style popcorn. And I know you love popcorn.
That's right.
And you love Italian food.
Oh, yes.
So you're gonna love this popcorn. It's a wonderful change from the regular plain old popcorn. So it's really easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are fresh popcorn, butter, dried Italian seasoning, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, and salt. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and melt our butter. We have a 1/4 cup. Just get a small saucepan or a little skillet, pour it in, and you're just going to stir it around. And you don't want it to simmer or boil, we're just melting it. Okay, so our butter is melted, and we're going to go ahead and add our Italian seasoning. We need 1/2 teaspoon, and you can go ahead and add that. And I'm going to turn this down so it doesn't simmer. Then we need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're just going to heat this on a very low heat just for a couple minutes while the flavors kind of blend together. And it smells amazing already. Can you smell that? Okay. The seasonings are well combined with the butter, so we'll go ahead and we're going to go ahead and pour it over our popcorn next. Okay, so we're just going to slowly pour our butter mixture over the popcorn, and you can go ahead and stir while I pour.
Okay.
You don't want to pour too much in one spot. You want to spread it out evenly. That's the key, and if you want to use less butter on your popcorn, use less, but make sure that you spread it out evenly and mix it well. Okay, so we've got all our seasoned butter mixture in there. Okay. Next we're going to go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese, and we're going to also add that a little slow while you mix. Okay. So we get it distributed evenly. Okay. And then while you stir, I'll add a little salt. So this is just salt to your taste, how much you like. Okay, I think it's ready to try.
Okay.
Does this smell amazing or what?
It does smell good.
That was easy.
Yeah.
When do you like to eat popcorn?
Oh, while I'm watching a movie.
I like to eat popcorn when I'm playing games. When do you like to eat popcorn? Let me know in the comment section below. So, you ready to try?
Yep.
Okay. Let's get some with butter and seasoning. It's so good.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna love it. Try it this week, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And if you love easy, healthy recipes, subscribe, push the bell, so you'll get notified whenever I post a new lesson. See you then.
Okay.